Hi Ian, it's Bob Holzacker here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. We are in Portland, Maine, the greater Portland area, which is about an hour and a half north of Boston. We have a major airport 5 minutes away, Portland, Maine, so wouldn't be a bad flight leaving from O'Hare to come and visit us. I know you're in Carroll Stream, Illinois. This is a wonderful trade-in. We get all our cars from trades, not the auto auction. It's a local car, a very, very rare diesel, a much sought-after model now that we're not bringing them in anymore. This is a 2016, very, very quiet. I have it running, standing next to it now. Wonderful Continental tires on the car. This has gone through our check, and let me open the doors here for you. I see the blind spot. Interior is very, very clean, well kept. I don't think the family had children or dogs, and I don't smell smoke, which is good. Here's the interior. You have the sunroof. I love the color combination. This is the 4MATIC, of course. All four wheels are always powered. Here you have the D for diesel. These diesels run forever. I had a Mercedes diesel to 350,000 miles and sold it, and the car was doing very well. It was a 240D. These cars just go forever. Do have a built-in trailer hitch, which is the way to go if you're going to pull a boat or a camper instead of an aftermarket one. That is far superior. So let's get inside. We'll go over the interior. Okay, Ian, we're back in the 2016 GLE diesel. The car has 525,000 miles. Everything is just so clean and new. It's terrific. You have the nav system, and you have the radio here, which would be the Sirius radio, and AM and FM. It's terrific. Plug in your own media device, telephone, of course, and your vehicle settings are up here. So just a really, really terrific car. The controls are easy. You have your heated seats here, your volume on, off, and we've kept it to be a thing you turn that turns out to be the best, instead of menu settings over here, and you take your eyes off the road. So looking here, you have the tilt and telescopic wheel, and your door controls here, and very intuitive. It looks like a seat. So I can't say enough about this car. It really is well done, and I hope that you'll be able to come out to Maine and purchase this car, or we could ship it home for you. Again, it's Bob Holzacker with Prime Motor Cars, Scarborough, Maine. My direct cell is 207-747-9714. Thank you.